Today I'm going to be leaving my base unlocked in a new player server and seeing how long it takes for it to get cleared out. In no time, my gorilla got stolen. Next was my tiger frutani. And then my shark. I was wondering why no one was taking my lava mateo. Then this random hit me for no reason and took my mythic. Finally, someone with common sense. My Odin Diamond Odin and Tralalero all got taken soon. Finally was my Taco Bombadero. My time was exactly 2 minutes on the dot. Also, if this video hits 100 likes, I'll pick a subscriber from the comments to get these. So comment your user